Hi, Mother. Happy birthday. First of all, I just want to tell you that I'm here for you no matter what happened. Your endless sacrifices have shaped me into who I am today. You're not just my nanay, mama, mother, etc. You're my role model. You are the heart of our family and my greatest inspiration. Thank you for everything. Thank you for being extraordinary nanny that you are. You are the best mom I've ever met. Wishing you a day as wonderful as you are, filled with love and happiness. Merry Christmas, Mama. I love you. I miss you so much. Keep safe always. Also, always remember I'm your first fan in your life. Again, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We love you. See you next year.